everyone. I am going to teach you all about slurs. We've already completed our lesson on setting up your instrument the proper way and posture that you have with your instrument to have a good foundation and to create good tone and to prevent injury. So, of course, when learning a new lesson, we're going to continue with the stuff we've already learned. And so our left hand, we make sure that has a good grip here with your thumb behind and a good spot with a C, and then your block hold, and then your right hand, the bow hold, making sure that you properly are placing your fingers over here, over the frog with your thumb bump, making sure that all those alligators are in the water. And then you can do a few exercises just to kind of get warmed up. And hopefully you're already warmed up. And now we're going to learn about slurs. And of course, warmed up, tuned up as well. So make sure you're tuned up. Okay, so we're going to work on the D major scale. So the D string and the A string here. And so we'll go ahead and start with our slur lesson. So what is a slur? So far, we've been learning about the notes and the D major scale and been practice sight reading. And you have been going up, down when you're shadow bowing on each note. Well, a slur is a curved line that connects two or more different pitches. And you play the slurred notes together in the same bow stroke. So that's the difference. I'll give you an example. So you have, if you want to share, two notes on one bow stroke, you better make sure that you have plenty of room, right? So that they have that equal value and you don't get derailed. So making sure that you start really close to the frog at this point when it comes to slurs. So being mindful of that and just practicing starting close to the frog. The frog will help you out and give you plenty of room. Ribbit, ribbit. So let's go ahead and start that. I'll give you an example. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And so what I did was I shared the bow halfway through. I switched notes right here. So going down or pulling. So down, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and shadow bow. We'll do the notes first and then the up, down. So we've got, starts on D, slurs to E, E. E, slurs to F sharp, F. F sharp to G, G. G to A, A. A to B, B. B to C sharp, C sharp, C sharp to D, D. D to C sharp slur, back to D for 2 counts. So you have a very, very even pattern. And so we'll do the bow strokes now. So down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Right? So it's basically 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it. This will be fun. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. you notice Miss Vanessa had a little bit of a scratch there at the end. Again, being mindful of, you know, your form and how the pressure that you are pushing and the speed of your bow. So just being mindful and practicing, right? All the different exercises will enable you to master, the form a little bit better so you don't have scratching and everything. So, but that's what it would be like. So you're going to be pressing down on that same bow stroke, right? And so we'll continue to move forward. And thank you so much for listening to this lesson. And I hope you have a wonderful day and happy bowing. So yeah. All right. Until next time. Adios, my friends.